Yo, starting off with earn by time. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. Just got our first order. It's a Taco Bell going 7 miles. I'm looking at the order and it's got 13 items in it, but for once it's not all sauce packets. I don't know why Taco Bell does it this way, but they pretty much list every ingredient in the food, so it's kind of hard to tell what has drinks on it and what doesn't. I'm just hoping that it's not 13 different drinks. $7 a.m. Well, that's kind of an issue. I don't think their drive-thru is open either, and we still have like 10 minutes until they open. Oh, I don't know what to do because this one's going really far and it's got a lot of items. Could mean that there's a good tip on it. So do I just wait it out? I don't know. Okay, why is DoorDash sending me notifications saying that the order is ready for pickup? Go ahead and grab the order. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I'll break in real quick, yoink the order if it even exists yet, and then I'll be on my way. Is it only one drink?
Yeah, it's just one.
Just one? Okay. Turns out it was actually ready. Cool. Well, I was wrong about that. Total ended up being $11 though. Next order up, we have a different Taco Bell. This one's gonna be 4 miles. Okay, they pretty much just copy pasted Google Maps directions in their little drop-off section, so gonna be ignoring that. Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $10. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $9, going 4 miles, only 2 items. I don't know. They're not responding, so just removing a watermelon, I guess.
Welcome.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a stacked IHOP, $18 going 5 miles.
I'm sure it did. Like 3 to tatas. There you go.
Thank you.
Of course. There we go.
You too. Got the next order right away. We've got a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. Ready on time. I like it. Total ended up being $6 and change for that one. Just got the next order. We've got a Starbucks heading 4 miles. Total ended up being $8 for that one. Pretty good, pretty good. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 5.5 miles. Are these together? Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Total ended up being $7 and change. I guess that was okay. I do have to drive all the way back though. That's the issue. Just got the next order. This is gonna be Kitchen Table Cafe, going 7.5 miles. Thank you. I can't even begin to express how much I hate going inside there when it's super packed like that. I just want to vomit. Total ended up being just under $11 for that one. Next up, we got a McDonald's, $9 going 3 miles.
Does anyone have a DoorDash?
That's mine. Thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too. They had a lot of orders on screen. I was gonna order something actually while I was waiting, but my order was up.
Thank you very much.
Yep, no problem.
There you are. You have a great day.
You as well. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for IHOP, going 7 miles.
So about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good tip on that one. Total ended up being $13. Wow. That's the stuff I like to see. Thank you. Finally got an order. This one is for Noodles and Company. We are heading 8 miles. Thank you. That one was very much not worth it. Total ended up being $8, and I have to drive all the way back now. Well, this will be a good order to take on the way back. This is for a place called Natalia's Cafe, going 7 miles. Do you not have bags?
We don't have bags, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, another really good tip. Total ended up being $14 for that one. And we're gonna be calling it here because I am pretty much out of gas and I'm hungry and I wanna go home. Current time is 11:31. Total, we are at 126 or 127. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.